All four forms of present tense. 1. Present indefinite tense, simple present. Usage, daily routine. Habits, universal truths. Facts, affirmative structure. Subject plus first form of verb plus s for he, she, it plus object. Examples. 1. He drinks tea. वो चाय पीता है. 2. We go to school. हम स्कूल जाते हैं. 3. They play cricket. वो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. Negative structure. Subject plus do, does plus not plus first form of verb plus object. Examples. 1. She does not like mangoes. वो आम पसंद नहीं करती. 2. I do not smoke. मैं सिगरेट नहीं पीता. 3. They do not eat meat. वो गोश्त नहीं खाते. Interrogative structure. Do, does plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. Examples. 1. Does he play football? क्या वो फुटबॉल खेलता है? 2. Do you read books? क्या आप किताबें पढ़ते हैं? 3. Do they live here? क्या वो यहाँ रहते हैं? 2. Present continuous tense. Usage. Actions happening now. Temporary actions. Affirmative structure. Subject plus as, am, are plus verb with ing plus object. Examples. 1. I am writing a letter. मैं एक खत लिख रहा हूँ. 2. She is cooking food. वो खाना पका रही है. 3. They are playing in the park. वो पार्क में खेल रहे हैं. Negative structure. Subject plus as, am, are plus not plus verb with ing plus object. Examples. 1. He is not watching TV. वो टीवी नहीं देख रहा. 2. I am not going to school. मैं स्कूल नहीं जा रहा हूँ. 3. We are not eating dinner. हम डिनर नहीं खा रहे. Interrogative structure. Is, am, are plus subject plus verb with ing plus object. Examples. 1. Are you studying? क्या आप पढ़ रहे हैं? 2. Is she coming home? क्या वो घर आ रही है? 3. Am I disturbing you? क्या मैं आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ? 3. Present perfect tense. Usage, for actions completed with a result in the present. ये टेंस ऐसे काम के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है जो मुकम्मल हो चुका हो लेकिन उसका असर अब भी मौजूद हो. Affirmative structure. Subject plus has, have plus third form of verb plus object. Examples. 1. I have finished my homework. मैं अपना काम मुकम्मल कर चुका हूँ. 2. She has called the teacher. वो टीचर को कॉल कर चुकी है. 3. They have reached the station. वो स्टेशन पहुंच चुके हैं. Negative structure. Subject plus has, have plus not plus third form of verb plus object. Examples. 1. He has not eaten breakfast. उसने नाश्ता नहीं किया. 2. I have not met him yet. मैं अभी तक उससे नहीं मिला. 3. We have not seen that film. हमने वो फिल्म नहीं देखी. Interrogative structure. Has, have plus subject plus third form of verb plus object. Examples. 1. Have you completed the task? क्या आपने काम मुकम्मल किया है? 2. Has she gone to market? क्या वो मार्केट गई है? 3. Have they cleaned the room? क्या उन्होंने कमरा साफ किया है? 4. Present perfect continuous tense. Usage. Action that started in the past and is still continuing. ऐसा काम जो माजी में शुरू हुआ और अब तक जारी है. Affirmative structure. Subject plus has, have been plus verb with ing plus since, for plus time. Examples. 1. I have been studying since morning. मैं सुबह से पढ़ रहा हूँ. 2. She has been working for 1 hour. वो 1 घंटे से काम कर रही है. 3. It has been raining since yesterday. कल से बारिश हो रही है. Negative structure. Subject plus has, have not been plus verb with ing plus since, for plus time. Examples. 1. I have not been feeling well for a week. मैं 1 हफ्ते से ठीक महसूस नहीं कर रहा. 2. She has not been attending class since Monday. वो मंडे से क्लास नहीं आ रही. 3. They have not been calling for hours. वो कई घंटों से कॉल नहीं कर रहे. Interrogative structure. Has, have plus subject plus been plus verb with ing plus since, for plus time. Examples. 1. Have you been learning English for 1 year? क्या आप 1 साल से इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं? 2. Has he been working since morning? क्या वो सुबह से काम कर रहा है? 3. Have they been playing since morning? क्या वो सुबह से खेल रहे हैं?